Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. I'm here in a beautiful Finnish forest, and today we're gonna review some Korean snacks. Let's go. So, what we have on the menu today is we have Django honey dip snack. Then we have this Star Popeye, very famous cartoon character from the old times. Then we have this hot chicken chaldak. This is gonna be spicy. And then we have Buldak hot chicken flavor ramen snack. And all of these are made by this Samyang Corporation. So it's a Samyang snack review. Let's start with this Django honey dip snack. Here we go. Good smells, almost like potato chips. Ooh, look at this. It has a circle. It has a hole. Okay. Looks good. But how do they taste like? Let's find out. I taste the honey. Really nice. It's almost like potato chips, but a little bit sweet. This is good. It's not too sweet. It's like perfect balance. Very nice. I think these are perfect when you're watching movie. Also, they don't make your hands sticky or greasy, because it's like it doesn't have any grease or fat. I like this one. This one is really good. Honey dip snack by Django honey dip snack. It's gonna be 5 out of 5. And on to the next one. I think the next one we will taste is hot chicken flavor ramen snack. So it's almost like ramen, but you just eat it raw without boiling it. Wait, do you really eat it like this? Is this just ramen? Look. Looks like you have to boil it. Did I make a mistake? No, it said snack. Snack. So I guess you just eat it like this. Let's try it. What the hell? But it even comes with this spice. What is this? I guess we dip the sauce here and see how it tastes like. Here we go. We get the sauce. Oh, yeah, it's spicy. No, this can't be real. Like, I'm pretty sure you have to boil this. Did they make a mistake here? I don't know. Anyway, it tastes just like ramen if you don't boil it. Like, I don't know what's up with this. Also, it's not convenient to eat because it's making like this. Look, it's dropping everywhere. This, I'm not happy about this one, to be honest. Like, it's spicy, it tastes good, but hard to eat. I think they should have made like pieces that you can easily put in your mouth without cutting it. This one, 1 out of 5. Not good. And the next item on the menu then, it's gonna be Star Popeye. This one, let's see. Interesting smell. What? It's just like some crushed breadcrumbs or something like. How do you eat this? What are these white things? Ooh, sweet. Some salt. It's really interesting taste. It's not too sweet, but the flavor itself is not good like the honey one. The honey one was much better. This one, I don't really know what to make out of it. What are these white things? First it's like sweet, then it's like salty. Guess it's sugar, crystallized sugar. Yeah, not so big fan of this one either. Like, it's hard to eat and it's just weird. But it's better than this one. So I guess this is 2 out of 5. Okay, so far it has been either really good or really bad. Let's see this next one. Buldak Spicy hot chicken flavor chaldak. Ooh. It's like a macaroni. Smells spicy. Now this one is good. Also take a note. Look at the shape. It's easy to eat. You put this in your mouth. It's not like this breadcrumb crap like over here, or it's not like this whole ramen disc. Like this is how you're supposed to make snacks. Easily to put in the mouth. No crumbs flying on the ground. It's very good. I like it. It's crunchy. It's a little bit sweet, and it's getting spicy on my throat. Yeah, it's this, just like in the picture. The chicken is breathing fire. Ooh. Well, it's good because I'm here in the cold, so it's perfect for this occasion. This one, 4 out of 5. It's not as good as the honey dipped one, but it's still good. I give it 4 out of 5. But yeah, thanks for watching. My hands are getting really cold. It's like minus 10 degrees here. But I just came here to the forest because I want to show you this beautiful landscape of Finland. Look at this. Isn't this nice? It's very nice. You should definitely come visit Finland. I'm like falling down in the snow, like what the hell. But yeah, thanks for watching, and put a thumbs up to the video, send a comment, and I will see you guys in the next Conversation Goods review. Thanks for watching.